Yo, what's going on, guys? We are finally back to a trade recap. The past 3 weeks, I've been moving around in my city, and it's been pretty hectic. And trading has been like kind of ass. The five top step funded accounts blew them, and we got five new Apex accounts. We switched to Apex because apparently faster payouts and they have like a 90% discount, and it's also on TradingView. Okay, so I what pretty much happened is I passed one funded account, and the other three I'm still trying to pass. As you guys can see, these are the other evaluations. But this is the funded account. So as you guys can see, with a PA in front of it, means it's a funded account. And today I made $1,300, and this is my second day on this funded account day trading. And you guys can see the orders I pretty much bought over here, and then I also bought over, I believe, let me check, over here as well. Okay, with very minimal drawdown. Uh, I'll break it down to you guys for today's trade. I just came back from the park with my friend, Zorad. Shout out my boy. We're just out in the park chilling in the city of Budapest. Suns were out and we were just chilling. And then I just took this trade while I was in the park. I'll probably pull up a video. First of all, on the daily, we've been on an uptrend. Okay. So taking a short anywhere here is just risky as fuck. And you don't want to do that. And then going back to an hour, I saw that we just low key just rejected, not rejected, but we respected this bullish hour fair value gap. Probably gonna push higher. And then go into the 5 minute. I saw that we were coming down. And there was a little sell model, market maker sell model over here. And I pulled a standard deviation and then exactly hit the -4 to -4.5 zone. But I also see that we're sweeping these equal lows, relative equal lows right here. Okay. And also some fair value gaps, as you guys can see. And that's a 1 hour fair value gap, I believe, right? So let me go to the 1 hour. If I draw this out, bam, bam, bam. As you guys can see, respecting the fair value gap, just wicked it. Okay. But we closed above it. So going back to the 1 minute, after we swept these equal lows, I saw very good displacement upwards, which is always super nice. And I saw a fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap over here. Not sure why it's not showing, so let me refresh it. What the heck? Wait, what? Why is it not showing it here? Yeah, I don't know why it's missing a candle over here. Should be a candle. But yeah, there was a fair value gap here. And then we displace upwards, change in state of delivery, market structure shift over here, as you guys can see. And as it went away, really what I was looking for was a retracement back to this fair value gap over here. But I also saw a breaker block over here, as you guys can see. So what I did was I put a 3 buy limits at the open. Oh, sorry, at the close of this breaker block. So over here. So I bought three contracts over here, 3 micros, and then I put another 7 micros. I pulled my fib and I put an OTE from this low to this high over here. And I was hoping that it could retrace back to the OTE to around what is it? Yeah, to OTE 0.6, I believe, 0.62. The reason I wanted 0.62 to be hit was because it overlapped with the CE of this bearish fair value gap over here. And once it did, I filled my order 7 micros. And then as you guys can see, my drawdown for so on average, I think it was around here, the fill between this and this. I think it was around here. I put my stop loss at the CE of this wick right here. So it's a pretty long wick. And yeah, I put this on the CE of this wick because I didn't want to, see it push past this. Yeah, push past it. So it almost stopped me out, but it didn't. And then it just, oh, sorry, this is a long. I'm trying to go long. So I went to here, the CE of here, and then I was targeting this buy side over here. Okay. And the reason being is because I had to go, but I was going to leave 5 contracts to go up to here because I feel like it's going to hit my TP at -2. But anyways, it was a very good trade. My RR was 3.8, so very solid day. Made 1.3K on the funded accounts, and then on the this account we made 900. I think we made 1.3 as well. Just let me check. Yeah, I don't know how much we made on the evals, but on the fundeds we made 1.3, if not a bit more. 1.3. Actually, I think we made 1.5, because the account was at 40. Actually, I don't remember. We made it around 1.3, 1.5. But yeah, guys, good trading day. I'm getting back into the groove of things. I'm excited. Summer's here, sun's out, and vibes are good. So I am very confident, but we will see where these next 4 days go because I only need 4 more winning days to get my first payout. Again, I'm not really focusing on the payout at this point. I'm just focusing on my model, my strategy, and following my rules, and that's it. So appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.